Hi, today I'm unboxing the Raoyi 512 GB NVMe Gen 4x4 SSD. So let's see what's inside the box. Here's the SSD. This is the 512 GB. Comes with M.2 screw set. Also comes with a quick installation guide. So this SSD has a sleek matte black PCB. We clearly mark the edges, gold edge contacts, and the branding and model information are etched clearly on the front. As you can see, the DRAM is designed optimized for cost efficiency. It's also slim and lightweight, so perfect for compact builds or type laptop slots. So I'm going to install this on a few different devices to check its real-world compatibility and speed. I have a laptop and also a PlayStation 5 pretty console. Here are the main selling points. So the SLC caching technology, so it boosts performance for read and write bursts, making game installs and large file transfer noticeably quicker. And also as a HMB, host memory buffer, uses system RAM for caching to offset the lack of DRAM, again reducing costs while keeping high speeds. Again, thermal control. So built-in thermal throttling support protects the SSD under heavy use, so ideal for gaming and large file editing. And also has a broad compatibility, so works on PCIe Gen 3 and 4, Gen 4. Again, across desktops, laptops, and PlayStation 5, so perfect for expanding storage affordability. So my final thoughts there. So for the price, the Raoyi 512 GB NVMe SSD delivers the fast Gen 4 speeds, again great compatibility and efficient performance in a slim package. It's ideal for gamers, students, or pros needing fast storage without breaking the bank. So highly recommend for PlayStation 5 users and PC builders looking for speed on a budget.